Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Garnier Fructis is probably one of the most popular and widely available shampoos on the market, known for its fruity scents and promises of healthy, vibrant hair. But does it truly live up to the hype and deliver the salon-quality results it claims, or is it just another drugstore option that falls short when put to the test against more premium brands, especially for those with specific hair concerns like dryness, damage, or color-treated strands that require more specialized care and attention to truly thrive and look their best? Number 5. Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Are you struggling with dry, frizzy hair that just won't cooperate? We understand the daily battle against flyaways and dullness. Discover the solution designed to bring smoothness and radiance back to your locks. This set is your new secret weapon. Experience unparalleled frizz control that lasts. Enjoy up to 72 hours of sleekness, even in challenging conditions. Watch as it effortlessly smooths down flyaways, leaving your hair looking polished and incredibly shiny. Get ready for compliments. Specifically formulated for those with dry and frizzy hair, it provides the nourishment and control you need. Achieve the smooth, manageable hair you've always wanted. This value set comes with generous sizes of both shampoo and conditioner, ensuring you have plenty to achieve lasting results. What we like? Tired of battling frizz and flyaways? This formula is designed to give you up to 72 hours of frizz control, leaving your hair incredibly smooth and shiny. If you have dry, frizzy hair and are looking for a solution to manage it, you should consider this. What people say. This shampoo made my hair feel incredibly soft and manageable. My scalp feels so much healthier and less itchy since I started using this. The scent is really pleasant and not overpowering. Number 4. Garnier Fructis Color Shield Shampoo. Keep your hair color looking fresh and vibrant. This fortifying shampoo is designed to protect all types and shades of color-treated hair. Experience a gentle yet effective cleanse. Our formula is vegan and paraben-free, ensuring the best care for your hair. No matter your hair type or shade, this shampoo works wonders. It's formulated to be beneficial for everyone. Enjoy long-lasting color brilliance with every wash. It helps maintain the richness and shine of your hair color. Nourish your hair with ingredients you can trust. This shampoo provides the care your color-treated hair deserves. Discover the difference with Garnier Fructis. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine for vibrant, protected color. What we like? Want to keep your vibrant hair color looking fresh for longer? This shampoo is specifically formulated to protect color-treated hair, working effectively on all hair types and shades. If you've recently colored your hair and are looking for a gentle yet effective cleanser, you should consider this. What people say. This shampoo made my hair feel incredibly soft and manageable. I noticed a significant reduction in frizz after using this product for a week. My scalp feels healthier and less itchy since I started using this shampoo. Number 3. Garnier Fructis Fortifying 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. Discover the power of Garnier Fructis Fortifying 2-in-1. It's designed to give you stronger looking hair with a touchably soft feel. This daily hair care solution is perfect for both men and women. Enjoy healthier looking locks with every wash. Our formula is vegan and paraben-free, ensuring a gentle yet effective cleanse. It nourishes your hair without harsh chemicals. Simplify your routine with this 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It cleanses and conditions simultaneously, saving you time. Experience the difference of hair that looks stronger and feels incredibly soft. It's the perfect way to care for your daily hair needs. Get more of what you love with this convenient 22 fluid ounces, 2-count package. It's a great value for long-lasting hair care. What we like? Looking for a daily solution to make your hair stronger and softer? This 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner is designed for daily use, providing both strength and a soft feel. If you want a convenient, all-in-one product for stronger-looking hair with daily use, you should consider this. What people say. It leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable. My hair looks healthier and shinier after using this shampoo. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. Number 2. Garnier Whole Blends Coconut Water and Aloe Vera Shampoo. Discover the revitalizing power of nature with our new shampoo. It's specially formulated to gently cleanse and refresh your normal hair. Experience the hydrating benefits of coconut water and the soothing properties of aloe vera. These natural ingredients work together to leave your hair feeling soft and revitalized. This formula is perfect for those with normal hair. It provides a gentle yet effective cleanse without stripping essential moisture. Enjoy a lightweight feel and a refreshing cleanse with every wash. It rinses clean, leaving your hair feeling fresh and looking healthy. Give your hair the nourishment it deserves. This shampoo helps to hydrate and replenish, promoting a healthy scalp and vibrant-looking hair. Achieve beautiful, healthy-looking hair with our gentle formula. It's designed to care for your strands while enhancing their natural beauty. What we like? Need a refreshing cleanse for your normal hair? Infused with coconut water and aloe vera, this shampoo provides a refreshing and hydrating experience. If you have normal hair and are looking for a lightweight, refreshing daily shampoo, you should consider this. What people say. This shampoo leaves my hair feeling incredibly soft and manageable. It has a lovely scent that lingers throughout the day. My hair looks noticeably shinier and healthier after using this shampoo. Number 1. Garnier Whole Blends Honey Treasures Repairing Set. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? Discover the nourishing power of our Honey Treasures Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner. It's specially formulated to bring life back to your locks. Experience the rich blend of honey and other natural ingredients. This set works to gently cleanse and deeply condition, leaving your hair feeling soft and revitalized. Specifically designed for those struggling with dryness and damage. Let this powerful formula transform your hair from brittle to beautifully healthy. Enjoy a luxurious lather that cleanses without stripping essential moisture. Follow up with the conditioner for intense hydration and manageability. This convenient kit includes both the shampoo and conditioner. It's everything you need for a complete, restorative hair care routine. See and feel the difference with regular use. Achieve smoother, stronger, and more radiant hair that looks and feels its best. What we like? Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? This repairing shampoo and conditioner set is formulated with honey treasures to help restore your hair's health. If you have dry, damaged hair and are looking for a nourishing treatment to repair and revitalize it, you should consider this. What people say. This shampoo is amazing, it leaves my hair feeling so soft and manageable. I love how this shampoo smells, it has a really fresh and clean scent. My hair has never looked better since I started using this shampoo, it's so shiny and healthy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.